national issues as it affects the nation. My own committee is an ad hoc committee set up by NEC on flood, erosion, drought, and desertification, which was reconstituted on 22nd of February 2024 to develop a comprehensive and actionable roadmap and strategy to mitigate the impacts of natural disaster as it affects our people in Nigeria by profiling recommendations on how best we can prepare and respond to 2024 rainy season. It will interest you to know that today the committee has committed its reports with recommendations to the council, and I'm happy to let you know that the council has approved the recommendations, and Mr. President is quite happy about the report, and he has promised to look into the report with its recommendations for immediate implementation. I want to sincerely thank Mr. President for his urgent commitment for safeguarding the lives and livelihoods of Nigerians from the devastating effects of natural resources, of natural disaster. We are deeply honored for being entrusted with this critical assignment. I sincerely appreciate the members of my committee for their cooperation and understanding all through the entire process, which you have turned on to report today. And I sincerely appreciate the media, well-meaning Nigerians, for their commitment to see that we key into the programs and policies of Mr. President to pull ourselves jointly from this inherited economic crisis. Thank you, and God bless you.